Morning, this is Todd from NC Solar Electric. I'm wiring up the last two panels and I just wanted to show you how to use the proper connectors once again. These are Jinko solar panels with bird poop on them, and these are Jinko connectors, and they look different than NC4 connectors. So I bought real Jinko connectors to mate with these so that they are UL listed per code. This end is wrong. See what I have here? I have plugged the Jinkos into the MC4. I have to change that with MC4 connectors. And here I have my bags of MC4 connectors. And here I have the bags of Jinko connectors and my crimping tool. Take a walk over here. This row I've already finished. You can see here I've got a jumper cables with MC4s on this end and Jinkos on that end. And I did this all the way across and tucked the wires in. Over here on that row, I just plugged them in. I haven't tucked them in or anything yet. So we're almost done here. Passed final inspection a day early. Inspector showed up on Thursday instead of Friday because he was next door. Lucky me, I was pretty much ready to go except wiring up these last four panels. And he said, no worries. Passed it, utility approved it, next morning. So we're good to go. 12 panels. Technically it's 5.8 kilowatts AC, but it's only 4.8 kilowatts DC. They're basically 400 watt panels, except for the last two over there are 405 watt. But I've noticed there's no difference on the screen. They perform exactly the same, all of them. But in cold, sunny day like today, they're overproducing. And I'll let you know what that is later. Y'all have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you at the Solar Power DIY Helpdesk. Y'all take care.